let me put it this way. Keyboard is the mother of music.
Okay.
Mina bengithanda ukuthuswa
Okay.
but usathana uphethe iforoko and those things yabona mabakubheka they babona something. Hey, this guy is so skilled. Now uvela uvala amehlo udlala ipiano. One thing ngayohamba ngathenga ispin, of spin. So ngaqala ngaso spin.
Okay.
Yes. Ngaqala ngayo ke kancane. So in my room I was like, yo, ngidonkeka kamnandi. You know. And then we figured these other guys now ngashaya i-cat, ngashaya i-crystal, ngashaya i-cocaine.
Yo.
Yeah.
Uzofike lapho?
Bese ngifike lapho mina. Ubona ngathi abantu abakuboni. That's why abantu bathanda ukugcoka amazazi abanye, you know, because you feel invisible, you know.
Mujapilo no JP Forest phakathi kweQuantum sirenga wonke umzansi boy isukile boy.
Let's go right to the sound of good times.
Another day, another dollar, another podcast, another episode, another opportunity to inspire and transform lives. Eitaola Shafere, welcome to another exciting episode of the Quantum Podcast. I-podcast yaseKasi, i-podcast yomphakathi, i-podcast yabantu, i-podcast yomhlaba wonke jikelele. Bafethu, we are coming to you live from eHaya Food for Life emfihlweni section eThembisa e1632 eKasi lamakasi. So vandaag ngiphethe number 1 pianist. Asikhulumi ngale piano le kokota piano, sikhuluma ngepiano yamampela ke vandaag, the original piano. Siphethe legend yaseKasi, bangamcavi lo mjita, especially ku gospel space. Hayi. Angazi, maybe you've been living under the rock. Ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together for Utapelo.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Sia.
Autiam?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sharp.
Ngimnani.
Sure.
Welcome to Quantum Podcast.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Bob.
Okay.
Invitation, yes.
Yeah, man. So, skipper, ni sawa manje yami.
Yeah, no, yazi khona manje kubhizi up and down.
Yeah.
So all over, people are doing their thing, you know,
Sure.
which is a good thing because, you know, phela Christmas manje abantwana bafuna izinto ukudla, bafuna impahla, things like that.
Sure.
Yeah, so now we have to be busy out there and do some work for our families.
So bhayile impahla ze Christmas.
Hey, Nkosi yami akakathengi. But hayi ngizozithenga very soon.
Ubhayile ingosi or usibhayela wena. Phela khona abantu basanokuthi hayi nasasideserve impahla ze Christmas. Or kanjani thisi?
Yeah. No money responsibility vele. I know, you know what, you prioritize your kids more than yourself.
Sure.
Yeah, so injalo nje.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, no, we are working, we are pushing, you know, yeah, because we have to use every opportunity that God gives us.
Sure. Awuthami isama nawushilo yabo. Mayemele kubonakala isama plus nama light ayangishisa, plus ngapha ngiphethe umuntu eshisayo. Keyboardist eshisayo yaseKasi yabo. So yazini kufunekani? Kufuneka izazalama.
Yeah.
Lizwakala izazalama. Palisa lethi izazalama kathi yi
Kanti bolibeke kuphi vele?
Ngikhohliwe ngikhumbula manje ukukhuluma ngesama.
Sure.
Uyacaba.
Nice.
Abaningi bayazi ukuthi mina ngigcoka izazi kuba smart, just the future is too bright.
Nice.
I still got bars for days. Uthize uyazi naye.
Yeah.
Akafuna ungayi beat ngishaye 16. But ngikuncenga uthi mfana ngiyana ne live band.
Yeah.
Before siyakuthi uthi ubani Thapelo.
Thapelo Makating Lona is
Okay.
a musician, is a producer and MD, so I've been doing this for quite some time now. Actually, I touched the keyboard around about 94, 95.
Yeah,
So because of my uncle, we got the keyboard. So it's on to an Baptist church, like who Fundis Mapetu.
La
So Andrew Mapetu, there's a Baptist there. So that's where actually everything
Estam.
started. No, Mpo section.
Oh, Andrew Maphethu.
Andrew
Yeah,
Maphethu.
masukhuluma ngestrategy. Makes
Yes.
sense. Andrew Maphethu.
Exactly. So that's where my gift was nurtured. Yeah,
Sure.
From my uncle, the church itself. So I got time to practice. We had a grand piano there. So yeah, things like that. So, and then after some time, that's when I discovered this is who I am. you
Okay.
know. So I can't change who I am, unfortunately. Yeah. So I can multitask.
Fortunately, not
You know,
unfortunately.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm saying that because of there's a struggle that goes with it
Yeah.
along the way. So as a person, you just have to, focus in what God has given you and do the best, in what you are.
So your gift can be your curse.
Yeah, it can be a curse, can be a blessing at the same time. I'll talk about a lot of things, right?
Sure,
there.
sure.
Because there are those who came after us.
Okay.
I'll make a practical example, like Ushimza, DJ Shimza. We are in the same street, Elboing in Teke Street.
Sure.
So that's where I grew up. So naye uphila khona lapho. So
Umcawa yayintwana.
intwana ibanga suitcase, aya esephiye, thina sakhulela khona la eKasi besingena eBujelong,
Sure.
ayongena eNqayizivele.
Sure.
But there are those who are privileged to bangene somewhere else.
Multiracial.
Yeah, but now beka khona manje how they are pushing, they are far.
Sure.
Us we are still pushing, but khona stagnations, along the way,
Yeah.
but we are still,
But babhaya
Thriving.
futhi abantu abageleze eKasi abaphumelele.
yeah.
So
too much.
naleyo kumele siveze yabo ukuthi
Exactly.
as much as they say you are a product of environment, but abaningi bahlale basho ukuthi upbringing yakho at times I determine ukuthi uzophelelaphi. Understand?
Yeah,
Yenzeka ukuthi ukhule kanzima mara ugcine sewugrand.
That's true.
Sure,
That's true. And we have to be patient, wait for the right timing. As long as we are and believe in yourself that this is it, then
Sure.
just be consistent.
Sure.
Yeah.
All right. Ukhulume nge-grand piano.
Yeah.
Yabo. Yini i-grand piano? Because ngisho manje sesinceda wonke umuntu. That's why yonke into siyayi-generalize, not about me.
Okay.
It's about omunye umuntu ohleli phansi nentwana encane ekhulayo eKasi.
We understand ukuthi
Naliyazi ukuthi unikokota ipiano. Omunye uhlale yazi ukuthi babakhuluma ngama-orchestra and stuff. Yabo.
yes,
So
that's
yini
true.
i-grand piano?
I-grand piano, it's an acoustic piano that doesn't plug, awi-plug nama-keyboard. So
Sure.
it's an acoustic.
Sure.
In other words, i-plank elihlangana nama ilokhunja lihlangana ney'ntambo zakhona inside.
Ile besiyibona endlini zabelungu lezi.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So now it's unplugged, so you can
Sure.
just use it. It's a good thing because it's also heavier. So in your fingers. So that's where Martin, it's nice for me. There's a response. There's a response when you press a note. Either you press it softer or you press a
Harder.
it will give you those dynamics.
Sure.
Whether when you are softer, you can be softer. When you want to be, harsh,
Sure.
you can do that as well. And then there's a keyboard.
Yeah.
Now a keyboard is electric, and then also in different sounds. To me, let me put it this way: keyboard is the mother of music.
Okay.
Keyboard is the mother of music, but keyboard as well with those keys there derives from the grand piano. Yeah. So there's a lot of teaching on that, but now keyboard is the mother, because I'm saying this because you can only use a keyboard and do everything. I'm drums right there, bass, piano, I'm organ, strings, and everything. Everything is right there. Yeah.
What is the difference between a piano, a keyboard, and organ?
The organ is an organ. It's a tone.
Okay.
So there's also organ in the keyboard.
A keyboard depends on.
So a keyboard, that's why I'm saying it's a mother of music.
Sure.
So there's all the songs in this world are from that thing. Yeah. So it can, strings, violin, everything is from keyboard.
Asikhulume nge-development out here.
Yep.
Because of abantu ababhaya, mhlawumbe ngenze example ngedisk because of sikhulele eKasi and sithuthele eKasi. So abantu abaningi bayarelate indaba yedisk yabo. So almost wonke umuntu noma bengekho talented ediskini udlalile idisk eKasi yabo.
Yeah, true.
So wena uthi uqale ukudlala the keys umncane. Ibaluleke kangakanani lento leyo ukuthi si-investe from the early age ebantwanini, like njengoba kunabo school of excellence for idisk, kunama music school, kunayo yonke lento le. So like normal the white or the privileged kids ngama Saturdays bebanokuhamba bathi bayenza ama extra lessons, bayenza ama piano, bayenza ini. So kubaluleke kangakanani ukuthi
I
introduce
think it's
abantwana
important. Yes,
at an
actually,
early age.
yeah, it's actually imperative to use it that way.
Sure.
Because like myself, ngikale kancane, and then ngaze ngaqeda isikolo though i-matric, but bese ngize ukuthi angisayifuni lento lena because it doesn't work for me. Music works for me better because you can imagine from 1995 I was in school. Yeah, so now I wish things were different. So my father makabone that gift. Actually, ngakhulu something is my grandfather. My grandfather uthanda idisk. bekathanda i-disc actually washona in 2008.
Okay.
So bekafuna nokungithengela ama-cox ukuthi lento lena mani yenzani imali ebonakalayo because abafana abancane bayahola ngale ngaphandle, you know.
Plus bekunabo uJerry Skhosana.
Yeah, abo-Dr. Khumalo, these
Sure.
people were millionaires at the very early
Early age.
age, you know. Thina abanye no, mina ngabona ukuthi this is who I am. Let me stick to my lane. Ngingadlala itim. Ngadlala laphana but ngakhathala, I was so exhausted. This thing is not me.
Bongekho mnandi
Anginastamina.
nge-disc.
Mina was the fastest in
Oh,
running
mara
ama
awunastamina.
athletics, ne? But anginastamina.
Okay.
Yabona, so ngabona ukuthi there must be something. Only to find out there's a musician thing in my we call it embedded knowledge, essential embedded knowledge. So I have this drive, your music in me. I love creating things from the beginning, you know, and then so this gift won't go anywhere and no one can take it.
Sure.
So I don't want to divert and be something else that I'm not. So I wish parents can just identify at the early age abantwana ukuthi kahle kahle what is it that is there in them lebayithanda ukuyenza,
Sure.
and then
And
take
abagude
them
kuyo futhi.
through that, even if bangaya esikoleni bayenza ama-grace lona labo bayenzayo, but at the same time ihambisane concurrently with what they are gifted in, so that you can channel them right there at the early age, tender age, and then go and grow with that. I mean, I wish that actually happened. But then my father, I remember I did some auditions in the CJC, and then I shy 97%. Mabathola ukuthi the way I'm playing a piano ngakhona. Makumele manje ngingene esikolweni lapho, and then it was a problem of finances. My father who gave birth to me, what I yenza i-doctor or architect or architecture or something. A lot of things that are relative to what they believe in. Like you understand, and our parents afuna ukubona abantwana babo ama-doctor, ama-nurses, ama-teachers, things like that. So mina, I just believed in who I am, and you know, ngabambelela waya. So parents, help your kids and identify, you know, what they're gifted in, and then channel
And
them
support
in
it.
there to support them.
Okay.
Support them. For an example, manje uShimza, DJ Shimza akana knowledge ngakho that is above my knowledge in terms of musical.
Yeah, in
theory.
terms of
He
ukudlala
knows
and
that even,
Yeah.
you know, because
Yeah.
we used to work together a long
Sure.
time ago. He used to come to my place, I go to his place, you know, things like that. But he doesn't have that. But you can imagine now the success of just being a DJ. Hell, being a DJ is like playing somebody else's song. You know, you're not a
nama-DJ
creator.
wakudala vele bangeney'ngoma zawo.
Yeah,
Wadlala ingoma zabantu. Abamanje laba sebagcina.
no, it's all about syncing the
Sure.
tempo and all that. But kahle, it's a gift as well, because you
Yeah,
are
it
able
is.
to sync two songs. But when you look at you didn't create that, but you make money out of it.
Okay.
So now, Tina, we are creators. I mean, I can give you and I channel you. I can do jingles for you. I can do everything for you. So you can also use that maybe on your podcast.
Awe. Bring it on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, asibuyele emuva awuthi yami. Sokhulumile ngabo bijwelongu, igele ogeleze kuzo. But siyafisa futhi ukwazi ukuthi wena makhulu ethembisa bekwenzakalani. Yini beyidumile?
Bekwenzakala izinto eziningi, man. Maybe just to take one.
Sure.
Besithanda ukuthatha amabhodlela. Bekunemoto lenye beyithatha.
Into ezivunayo ke le. Because sifuna ukubuyisela abantu emuva.
Amazimba, yabona,
Sure.
iphethe amazimba.
Yeah.
And then ama-cheese necks.
Yeah.
So now, besenza so mawungana plastic
Bakufakele iskipini.
besihamba senza so.
These are the moments we want.
Ibhodlela, and then they would bapore lana ngezandla zabo, azazi ukuthi zibambe yini lezandla lezi, but ngokuthi umntwana you don't care, so ufuna ukudla amazimba. So those are the things bezi too much and popular. And also neyitrata zethu, it was just gravel all the way. Bongana ikontini.
Imtimi imnandi kabi.
Bemnandi, and no, bengidlala ibhayisikili, bengine-BMX.
Sure.
Nami angazi ukuthi kahle kahle ngithole kanjani, because I don't remember.
Ilezi walkers ephezi shine intwana nge-streamers bacovela ibholi zibuye la.
Angisho besuka la, but mina mina bengumntwana osabayo.
Sure.
Bengisaba itrain futhi. Actually, itrain iyangitraumatize kakhulu, because one of my friends, my best friend, was bulala ngayo. So it was something that was a trauma. And even now, ngisayi-respect i-train. Kumele kude if idlule ime.
Sure.
Afterwards ngingene ngihlale phansi ihambe. Lento yokubamba ukwenza all those things. Those are the things that were actually popular during those times. Yeah, and then furthermore, maybe I'll just as we go by.
No. That's enough. That's enough for us because of I'm sure like your peers will also be watching this.
Yeah.
So, but we still move, man. Like ngale kat bekumnandi kasi phela bekumnandi ngalesi sikhathi lesi yabo and enye into lama frontman nawo ngiyawasupport I mean ngiyawasalute because of bekuyindlela ukuthi bayenzeni i-recycling thina besingazi yabo so wena utshontsha amabhodlela asendlini amakholi yabo uyawathengisa kubo kanti nabo bayenza imali wena uchaza yilamazimba amancane but they made more money and it was easy for them to collect the bottles.
That's true.
Through that system.
That's true.
Yeah,
that's how it was.
All right.
So
ke ukhulele esontweni.
Yes.
Yini into efundile ngokukhulela esontweni? Besides ukuthi wena udlala i-keyboard.
You know, mina bengithanda ukuthuswa kaningi bathi usathana uphethe iforoko and those things uyabona.
Usaba kwenza isolo bathi uzokuphendula ngeforoko fucking night.
I'll be honest with you because my background is from church vele background yami is church vibe.
Sure.
But wonke umuntu bekana i-choice yakhe bekana so ngakhulela e-St James Scala because of umama ubuya lapho and then as time went by umalume wami because of bekaku Christian itaku Baptist church then that's when mina ngangena ke ku Baptist nami ngasindiswa. You know, even when I was receiving Jesus Christ 1997 mangisindiswa that I was even crying going there because I didn't understand what was this. But I think also I was attracted by the songs, the music in me, like because this guy uThemba Khobe used to play piano. That song. Ngasindiswa ngale ngoma leyo ke ngizizwa ukuthi yazi I'm filled with something but I don't understand. But now before that event actually took place, I was there was fear in me because uyazi vane abantu bathanda ukuthusana, you know, kanjalo kanti you must not have a relationship with the church or with God because of uyathuka and you want your position usaba ihell bathi kunomlilo omunye lapho ngapheli, you know, things like that. So now but as time went by, that's when ngaqala ngaba ne-wisdom with no I have to have a relationship with God not out of fear, but I have to stick, you know, to that and do right with people. If I have to give, I have to give somebody uneni izinto ezinjalo
because ama principles abalekile
yeah into enjalo yeah
so
yeah and then after that Baptist church then that's when ngiya ku Dominion Life Cathedral ufundisa uNdove. Yeah, so we nje was natural in this can understand ukuthi kanti kuso kahle you know I used to feel guilty every now and then not knowing, you know, because ngifuna ukuzibamba but angifuni ukuzibamba kwezinye izinto. So and the knowledge it was not
part of
that,
cool. You must go through those stages.
Yeah, and also you know in music mawudlala keyboard ke uyabona nangapha ke bazilahlela during those times. You said something yokuthi kudala bobumnandi. Actually we didn't have much responsibility. You know, sometimes when you are dependent you don't see much ukuthi lo parent lo wenzani for you. When you enjoy uyavuka uyadla uyahamba uyodlala uyabuya uyadla ubukela i-TV, things like that. So I believe the times are still the same actually. Yeah, because kune-dependent and then kube ne-independent. After independent, when you're independent working, you have to maybe find somebody that you can be interdependent with, working together to achieve something. Yeah. So yeah, you know, those were the times, man. So
asibuyele muva kancane uThemba. Angeke uyirize lento lesidlule kuphela because of we're also trying to help lento ezincane esikhulayo yabo.
Sure.
So uthi labo bebaziletha. Yabo. Wena mobhekile yini yenza ebatreat kangaka kuma musicians?
Angifuna ukungena spirit, angifuna ukuyi-spiritualize.
We can spiritualize it.
Yeah, you know when udlala keyboard in forefront, now you are with the pastor lapha. Obviously everybody knows you lapha the church.
All eyes on you.
And then amantombazane beshingithi amachiri. Mabakubheka they babona something, hey, this guy is so skilled, eh? Now uvela uvala amehlo udlala ipiano. Obviously laba niyambona ukuthi anointed kanjani this guy, and then as a result you fall you know, mina bengingana no.
Mm.
Hayi mina benginganayo no. You know, then vele nje ngisebenzisa i-opportunity mayifika, you know. So but it was not wise of me actually doing that because khona manje ngisithola ukuthi umntwana omunye ule angikhona ukuphila nabo bonke in one. So now it's important that ukhona ukuzibamba and imagine yourself in future, see that future that you want, shape it khona manje so that you are not all over, you don't have kids all over the place.
Okay.
You know, ube channeled and understand who you are and then go with what God has given you.
Asikhulume ngotshwala uThemba.
Sure.
Ama-musician amaningi adume ngokuthi ayaphuza esontweni.
Yes, that's true.
So yini ekhosta lokho according to you?
Sometimes really frustration, sometimes understand ezinye izinto. Like myself, I mean, I did that. Angiyenzile leyo. You can imagine a Christian esindiswe 97. I was a right Christian and like ngibamba iBhayibheli ngigqoka ishutu uyabona every time this job. But it's a mighty I remember 2004 mangizoqala ngidlala iJoy of Jazz. I was featured ngezinto lezi zeJoy of Jazz, Standard Bank Joy of Jazz.
Sure.
Year two our stage was in Nikki's. I was playing in Nikki's. That time 2004 there were many stages. Nalaphana duze museum and then Nikki's, I forgot the other place, but ngicabanga baseline as well. So there were a lot of activities all over. So lapho the atmosphere, you can imagine getting into a place where you see each generation, yabona sophile generation. Ubona bo Tau Mogale,
Yeah.
abo Connie Ferguson,
Sure.
ubona bo ban bon, like I was like, huh? And these people
Labantu
are
ngibabona
relaxed.
TV.
Yeah, and they're relaxed in the baba look baphuza into zabo lapha ya.
Now ufuna ukufitha
It was that thing, yeah. Now I want to fit in. Yeah, I want this job. So now, not knowing that in Zomixa, the world in, you know, like ngathi I'm the church, but now I'm
hlanganisa ubumnyama nokukhanya.
yes, you know the world and the church. So yaba into enjalo, but I was seeing this life emnandi nje with these people. So ngathi yazini ke I didn't even decide actually there. It just came natural. One thing ngayohamba ngathenga ispin, spin of spin. So ngaqala ngaso ispin. And then nini ke
Spin almost. Ngoba nesabatha nasibeshini.
and then ke kwaba ama clip drift ilo. Bayibiza ngikana lencane le. Nip.
Okay.
Yes. Ngaqala ngayo ke kancane. So in my room I was like, yo, ngidonkeka kamnandi. You know, you can imagine. So yaba life enjalo ngaqala ukuphuza ke manje. Hawu nini sengena kuma beer manje, ngena kuma Heineken manje, sengena kuma Hunters Gold.
Masai.
Njalo yabo.
Masai
Khona ngithanda Strongbow futhi earlier.
Almost ukutshela ubiyeke manje mos.
Yabona
The strong point yamanje.
Basically yaba into ukuthi yazi let me just live this life because angifocus kahle. I used to tell myself ukuthi mangiphuzile ngidlala piano feel kamnandi. There are those things, you know, even with, you know, ngibhemile nensango ke akashaya izolo ke ngangena kuyo because of the influence of the guys. My company ngokuwa bodumi Masilela, if you recall.
Sure. The actor,
yeah,
the late.
May his soul rest in peace. Yeah, so he was the one who actually introduced me in Guizolo again.
What was Kimele out there?
Behlale la kimi njalo nje besiphila sonke in my studio.
Okay.
So at Pratet Bamba la.
Oh, plus uqala show music very before.
Yes, yabona. So I was always denying, yabona, but at some point ngathi yazi outing try lento le. I mean, I'm not losing anything. Let me ngabona ezinye izinto. So that's when ngabona.
And wazizwa ngathi utswemi kakhulu ngokudlala moyishaya.
Yes, and then wafika these other guys nabo ngayenza ngashaya iCat, ngashaya iCrystal, ngashaya iCocaine.
Yo.
Yeah.
Usofike lapho.
Bese ngifike lapho mina. But let me tell you something, you know, by the grace of God, I'm telling you, that was by the grace of God. Mangiloko ngishaya because khona a guy ngimthole laphana eLesotho. I had a gig laphana eLesotho. This guy, what I tried this thing. Let me just go wild. I tried it. And ngabuya ngayo lento lena. Then la ithembisa ngifuna abantu manje bathengisa iCat, iCrystal, into neCocaine. Yabona. So bebayithengisa, I think about 50 rand or something like that. ngishaya futhi bengiyililisa ku-microwave yenza uyililise uyi-crush. Then afterwards uyithathe ke ushaye. Angeke ulale, you will work all the way through. Uyabona? So but yaba ama-side effects, my digestive system azange seba right, angisayi toilet normally, and nakhona ngapha impumulo zami here bosokumhlophe.
That's
so
why agcina bableeding.
uyabona? Yeah. Then ke there and there I had to decide for myself without even going to rehab. Nothing, let me leave this thing. This thing is not healthy for me. Then kwaba amagwayi ke kanjalo ke lezi ezinye, because mawushaya i-cat or i-cocaine, mawuthatha usigarette ubhema, ikunikeza something man, kuba mnandi man. Ubona ngathi abantu abakuboni. That's why abantu bathanda ukugcoka amazazi abanye, you know, because you feel invisible, you know.
Disclaimer, hey, akungingeni.
Yeah. Abanye bathanda i-fashion to them, and abanye but they do it because
No, understand. It
abanye
makes sense.
abafuna ukubonwa
Sure.
iqiniso, abanye iqiniso angisho bathi iqiniso lisemehlweni,
Sure.
into ezinjalo. So yeah, I went through all those things, and then for young kids, I don't, because we've been there, I don't think that's a good way to do it. If you are a musician, a keyboard player, or you want to see yourself growing even more, you know, you might not find the grace that I got.
Sure.
Now you'll find yourself manje so sestradeni uba useless, or so fika kuba nyawupe uchange your face yachinja manje so into enye useless nje. So
Sure.
now be useful while you are living.
Sure.
And then don't do all those things. You know, just preserve yourself, and also preserve yourself for a good woman, for a right woman. And then, just push your life well.
Sure.
You know.
Ngoba so-raisile indaba yama-drugs, indaba yotshwala and stuff. Asivele sihlale kuyo kancane because sifuna ukusiza abantu ngoba. So, do you advise a gospel artist or ama-musician adlala enkonzweni, badlala ku-gospel, badlala esontweni, to also do ama-gig wangaphandle? Because I believe with sometimes temptation iqala lapho. Sodlala ama-jazz, sodlala ini. Angisho ukuthi bangayenzi imali, bangenzi, but wena from your experience you advise them to do that.
Mina, I would say since you have a gift, don't limit yourself.
Okay.
Why do you have to limit yourself? Actually, I'm a gospel, or maybe let me say a lot of people know me as a gospel keyboard player.
Sure.
But gahle jazz.
Yeah.
And also gospel concurrently. And because of ngithathe from Msase Baptist Church,
Yeah.
so ngakhula ngayo, and also ukuthi ize kanjani the jazz. Ekhaya used to be a tavern.
Sure.
And I was not drinking. You can imagine from 97 until 2001, Mama Magasuka la Elkaneng, going back to Foslorus. And then mina ngahlala lana ngakhuliswa umkhulu wami. So I would say musicians, go out there and make a difference. Make a difference in this world. But now don't be influenced by the things that are, you know, taking place out there, and then now we'll start and put them into
Romans 12 verse 1 and 2. Yes, Chairman.
Yeah, izokubulala lento leyo, izokubulala. So study, do jazz, do classic, do everything, and then so that you are not limited in your craft.
Sure.
Yeah, just push, go out there, but don't be influenced by those.
Don't lose yourself. Don't
know.
Lose your principles.
Yeah, don't lose yourself. Don't lose yourself. Instead, be influential to those who are looking at you. Baba phuza ama clip drift nandani when usithathela ama coke or amanzi.
Sure.
And then angisali, you know, abanye abantu they interpret alcohol for them to be happy. And
but basijabulisa basho njalo. Ngizaba yini ngihamba emva kwawo. Athi besingenatshwala. Manje benisijabulisa kanjani? Like yo. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm learning like every time. Noma ngangena eTaxini, sometimes nokuyisha imoto mina ngivake eTaxi. Just nje for ukufunda.
Yeah,
I'm a conversation, especially we are doing a quantum podcast, so we understand the environment as a ranking, environment ethics and stuff. So nokuyishiya imoto isigibele iteksi nje for i-research.
Yes.
Yeah, it's important.
important.
Yeah, it's important.
It's important.
Yeah, ama-actors amaningi ayenza lento leyo. Makazodlala i-character yasesibhedlela ahamba spend iviki lonke esibhedlela.
Uyayibona
So that
ke kanjalo.
azokwazi uku-understand i-environment and everything. The character
Yeah.
izokwazi ukungena kuyo.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So-
Hayi la uthi iflate le iyasithanda. Every time asishoot izodlula ishaya iflate.
Nice one.
Signature yethu.
Ah, that's nice.
Mayengadlulanga ngisho ukuthi episode ngeke
Vele,
ibe
anyway, what do you expect?
Sisekhaya.
Sisekhaya, right? Powerful
So-
cast, yeah.
Sure. So awuthi yami usukushaya so edited. So bekwenzeka ukuthi ubuhlabe maybe Sunday ekuseni uze church uphuze.
I did that once.
Okay.
Actually, I would say, ngiyengaphuza ebusuku bakhona.
Oh, okay,
Ngiyakhumbula
night
kahle because besiphuza i-Viceroy. You know, nakhona it was not because of me. The influence, the guy that came through into my studio was Spanish. Spanish is a well-known guy in the music field.
Okay.
He's a bassist. That guy is a very intelligent bassist,
Sure.
honestly speaking. So he's the one who came with it. And then Sahlal in my studio worked, but ngapho look at anam ngathi ngashaya. Can you imagine it's Saturday, Sunday I must go to church. Angilalanga nokulala actually. Sicede lapha ngabo 5:30 a.m. And then I had to ngeze, then go to church. Mangifike church ngithi ngiyodlala keyboard stage angagula ngazizwa ngihlanga. Ngazizwa khona abanye vele system yabo nje alcohol maseyiningi emzimbeni uyahlanga ufuna ukuklanza ufuna ukuyenza so ngasuka stage ngabiza somebody else to come and play mangizophuma ngegate umfundisi uyangena yena ke uyazi ngisho bangena mabazopreacher or makusele ingoma eyi-1 ye-worship so mangizophuma umfundisi wahlangana nami wathi hey ntwana uyakuphi manje ngathi ngisayekhaya I'm not feeling well angazi ukuthi ngapha tavern
Unokubrowa.
yeah so umfundisi athi yema ngokuthandazela ngithi makangithandazela nami la you understand so uyayizwa le smell leso yasizwa anothi tap iya ku pastor Palesa uza kunikeza i orange then uzo bengaka understand alcohol ukuthi kumele mawuphuza udle ngaphuza udle especially inyama uyafuneka inyama yabo. So I used to do those things and then, but now I had to leave that. But I continued with drinking. But now ngasayiphinda kuyenza Saturday now man. Ngiyenza during the week. Nakhona privately. You can imagine it was private when I was doing it with the guy Spanish. So yeah, kwaba lokho.
But ke ukwaswela kule situation ukuthi maybe abafundisi bayakhuza then wena uba nenkani or uyangala uthi hayazi nabo bangathi bafuna ukungicontrol and stuff.
I've never been that arrogant person. I have never. I used to listen. I believe in the thing ukuthi those aba ahead of me, I have to hear from them. Mabenza kahle, mabangifundisa indlela. Now uyazazi mawungaphuzanga. Uyazizwa you are full. This is you. Ungana influence of anything in your body. So I took that advice from my pastor. And then with other guys as well. My uncle is a pastor and I began to listen to this as right.
Sure.
Because yena ke bekathanda ukungibhada ke ukuthi ngibeke izinto lapha yana ngilele angazi indaba zami. So now yaba something angifundisa yona ukuthi don't do these things. And it's true. Mangisoba I'm myself fully, you know. Yeah.
Ungcono ngoba unabantu abakhuza in the sector.
Yeah.
You are very blessed. You are very blessed.
Yeah.
Okay, so mari fame yona affect kangakanani?
Hey, if hence why ngithi mawu ku TV especially ngidlala labo bafundisi labo Pastor Benjamin Dube and all that. So everywhere, every province you would go and have at least one woman, you know, Lesotho one, Botswana one, Swaziland one, and mawufika uyazi ukuthi manje uyakubani. So izinto ezinjalo and wish is something that is not right because you take other spirits into your system, you know.
Okay, before siyakude mhlawumbe ake singene ku music career yakho yabo because of abanye abantu abacavu ngizokhuluma ngefame bayabuza kahle lo muntu ubhizi fame ubani udume ngani.
Yeah.
So kahle i music career yakho iqale kanjani? Usebenze nabo bani abaku mainstream esibaziyo and iziphi ingoma osibhalile because ngiyazi khona nengoma osibhalile yabo. So yeah, walk us through that journey.
Okay, yeah, ngiyengaqala ukudlalela umfundisi like for example umfundisi Benjamin Dube. So umfundisi he's the one actually who who kind of like, introduced me in the industry of music.
Okay.
Because of, we started with him, though I was playing, long after that. Now he's the one who actually connected me, kind of like, for people to know me. And then we did healing in his presence, and I did renewal in his presence. Is like 2 albums, am I in his presence of Pastor Benjamin, and also in the spirit of praise.
Sure.
Nyayenza.
Sure.
And then I've written a lot of songs. One of the songs that I still, that still pays even to this day.
Okay.
El Shaddai Adonai.
Okay.
El Shaddai Adonai. Ungu Jehovah wena
Sure.
siphephelo sami. That is my song.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, you wrote that song?
Yeah, I wrote that song with
Okay.
him.
Okay.
And I know only you on Sanctified in His Presence.
Mm.
Yeah, okay, but I was not there because ngala.
Okay.
Ngahamba because of there were a lot of things that were going on.
Mm.
Khona I can mention a lot of things that happened, but uyazi ama relationship kanjani. Khona omunye angasakhoni ukubheka something, you just go.
Okay.
Because I used to sacrifice a lot now for him, umfundisi, but now only to find out along the way khona ezinye izinto ezenzakalayo, they can't maybe come through for me. Wacancel ama-gig at some point. The whole December we didn't work.
And so you counted.
And ngiyountile ngiyothengela abantwana bami impahla kanjalo kanjalo. But zange yenzakala ngathi yazi let me go and ubona ukuthi ngenzakala. And that's when we started Woman in Praise. And then I did also ingoma Bala Ikhulula Ugogo.
Oh, Woman in Praise, you're part of it?
Woman in Praise, yeah.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah, the first one, Woman in Praise.
Sure.
So now that was me there.
That's how many promoters could like Timbis.
Yeah.
I remember.
We didn't even promote it actually, that song. That song just, yes, they fly.
Oh.
Azamba
Lambeng nayo.
Spirit music, Opry Peacock, bekuyiboss yami then. Mangisuka kumfundisi. So yaba umfundisi Benjamin ngangena ku Opry Peacock. He's the one Lokhunjani, the CEO, the Spirit Music. Okay. So he's the one who comes up with these ideas. Let's work on this. Let's do this. Like ngenze album yami gospel jazz. Okay. Naye. So 2 albums ezami buye. So ngathi ezami ukuthi ingoma ngathini ama cover versions.
Oh, okay.
But the album ihamba ngegama lami.
Sure, understand.
Since he's the one who invested in the project, so he's the one who is in charge of the whole production. Okay. Yeah. So I was just called to feature in and to be an MD. So I Nkule, me MD, musical director and a producer. But at some point, Mankala Mfundisi Benjamin Dube, I was just a pianist.
I wenze kahle exactly because I'm MD yebo parisa bacabanga ama-metric dance.
Yeah, because the MD angisho bayisebenzisa noku management director.
Yeah, the musical director na MD.
Yes. So yeah, that's when ngayenza ke ngaba popular even more to other people who are in that field.
Okay.
Yeah, but yeah, the inama challenges our gospel field. Inama challenges. Tina, we are the people who are behind the scenes, but we do the work. Sure. And deliver. And nakhona ukuthi si deliver imali na iyadingeka and imali ebonakalayo yabona ungangrophi. Khona ama relationships amaningi lawo ngiwaluzile because of that. Like abanye, they want us to continue. They want to pay me the same amount that they used to pay me
2005.
2018. Namanje 2025. You want to give me the same amount that you pay. So now hence why abanye ngagcina ngithi ngiphume kubo. Because when you believe in something, work on it all the way through until you get ama fruits. Sometimes I gotta figure lapho mele figure khona, but the people who are helping you or who have started with you in that thing,
grow with them.
So singangalelani.
Ile nto ngitshela team yami ukuthi our podcast ayisenzile imali kwamanje, but we are very patient.
Yeah, exactly.
And we are willing to grow together.
And timing. There's a time lapho khona everything is over. And labo abanye laba that you are working with, they'll be like, yeah,
along the way.
So now that's where I believe in what God has given me, but also I believe in the relationships where the relationships are reciprocal. You are giving me and I'm giving you. Let's do that. It's one way in Japela. You know, I'm the one who's giving you songs. I'm the one who's always there for you.
Okay.
But when you can't sacrifice for
Sure,
me,
sure.
you know, yabazi ukuthi abantu mawuthi ngicela ungincede nge-2000 mani. Hey, yantona anginayo yazi mawuthi uyabheka nakhona imoto yakhona ingakanani. But I'm not blaming that. But I'm just saying we are working together, and I won't judge you on the basis of what you have, the cars and the house that you live in. Abanye umuntu mawuthi ngicela 100 rand athi hayi anginayo, but drive isiphalaphala esingaka. I'm not judging that, but I'm saying it doesn't make sense. And also, when you have cancelled everything, le mina ngidla ngayo, you know, besihola kancane then, you know.
But bayenza
Maybe let me mention what I've mentioned before.
Okay.
Umfundisi uyakhansela ama-gig. It was December. Then I didn't have anything at all, you know, because mina bese ngibudgete ngale mali leyana. So there's a lot of things that happened. I also sacrificed when we were going to Zimbabwe. I was supposed to play for Worship House, being 7, Letoyando, working with Lufuno and about Takata.
Sure.
There are guys like that.
About
Lapana, so I know Taki no location there apart from Worship House.
Oh, okay.
So, but now you can imagine. So, umfundisi wasibiza wathi Tapelo ngafuna Janet, the PA yakhe. Tapelo, we are going to Zimbabwe. And ngapha the same weekend mele ngenze Worship House. So I was like, you know what, it's fine guys, let me just leave. Sengikhipha i-quotation yami right, but bazongibhadala full. Mtshotsho imali ebonakalayo. I went to Zimbabwe nomfundisi. Then sihambe Thursday, sabuya Monday. You can imagine. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday angikho ekhaya. Monday ngiyabuya ke manje abantwana bami bakhona. Yazi e-airport basibhadala imali. Mabasibhadala bathi I was with this guy called Ugama. So C2 basibhadala 1 something. 1 You know why? You don't want to lose an opportunity, or you don't want to because of you don't want to be replaced. You know, and then you want to famous. But now when how coolly, how not anything we you know, it was just that kind of relationship, you know. Then that's when let me just focus on myself.
Let me do other things. Famous ibone TV mara sihlangana weTexini.
Yeah, Texini, it's pointless. That's why mina bengafuni futhi nokuthenga namasuit because of your quality lapha ngesuit. Idabule itaxi or co-venture lapha ngatayo. Ngono wazi ngigqokele simple.
Sure.
Abantu futhi ngigqoke ikepisi bangangiboni. I'm glad ukuthi abantu abaningi they don't.
Amara uthi go famous. Go famous blind cars, especially uma ku-TTF
Yeah, I was an MD.
Lo odlalela Benjamin Dube.
Yeah, I was.
Kanjalo abantu.
Yes.
Spirit of Praise.
Exactly.
Those two brands.
Ngabona ukuthi but to be famous and awuna mali ngapha is pointless. Let me work on myself. Hence why even khona manje ngiyakhipha i-album yami kudala. I think it was 2010. 2010 ngakhipha i-album yami yokuqala ethi mina ke. Then, but unfortunately, ngibekanga kuma social platforms. It's only one track that is on social platforms. So, believing in yourself, continuing and pushing and having relationships where it's reciprocal, it's a good thing, you know.
It's a give and take.
So the name doesn't matter. Sinasifuna ukwenza imali abantwana bethu badle nabo babe right phela. Nginabantwana, and I've got 5 kids. You can imagine. So mele badle.
5 different provinces.
Yeah.
From 5 different provinces.
From different baby mamas.
Okay.
Yeah, but they are all Ikonala in Gauteng. Yeah. But the one Loyang Amshata is in KZN, and then but isn't those young because you know there's a spirit in behind musicians. And especially when you're telling yourself you want to do good, it's the more wins are.
Do you mind sharing your breakup story or your divorce story?
Being part of the
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I went to a month with Fried.
Oh, a month.
Yeah, so ngaphatha ilobolo lapho bangwelcome ngaba vela umkhonyana, and then but ngapha ngicontinue nginama concubine wami nami.
Oh, like King Solomon.
Yeah, lapho. Then lapho, and I knew what I was doing was wrong, but I was just continuing not knowing why. But it's because of I didn't understand the relationship. Mina bengena ku relationship noNkulunkulu ngokuthi ngisabe hell. It must be a relationship where he will tell the Holy
It must
Spirit
be
will tell
genuine.
me, now it's wrong.
Sure.
Don't do this, do that, do
Okay.
that. Yeah, so my life is all the way. It was just up and down.
Okay.
Yeah, but abanye abantu they will applaud me. Ukuthi I'm doing good, I'm doing great because I used to buy even cars, new cars from the box, But
Imoto sithenga kanjani ngoba uthe wena bungaholi grade?
ngithe
solo.
mangiphuma ku Pastor Benjamin. Amazingly, surprisingly, mangiphuma kuye. That's when ama-gigs nezinto eziningi zayenzakala ke.
So kahle there was also a benefit ukusipana naye. Because
Ungibrandile.
Yeah, so that's why it was even easy for you to charge manje because of uyazazi uyibrand and experience.
Yes, you see. So now umfundisi uye wangibeka lapho, and then I had to continue with the painting.
Okay.
Yeah, but now we still have a good relationship. I was
That's
with
good.
him.
That's good to hear.
Yeah, I'm still having 3 weeks ago I was with him. So now he's planning. He said to me, we need to do an album that is gonna be a fire next year. We are doing a new thing next
So
year.
Makati, this is the song that I made in Zimbabwe. Dlala wena la.
Yeah, no, Galamino all the way. Yeah.
Ngiyayikhumbula le intro le.
Yeah, no, it was me all the way. Shema, umfundisi helped me a lot, and nabafundisi abaningi we still have relationship. All my relationships. Then ngasuka ku Spirit of Praise, ngangena ku Tshwane Gospel, ngaba MD lapha. Then worked on an album.
Usebenza nabo Nqubeko or beyanga.
Yeah, uNqubeko nje, it was just some character nje, But yeah, I don't want to get into that much. But now,
because I thought bekuye MD Tshwane Gospel choir.
No, I'm the one. I'm the one who was the MD.
Oh.
So now he came in to be an MD now.
Okay.
Yeah, but now we parted ways, no bablang, because of this, clashana kancane mina no Nqubeko.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's amazing that I knew him long time, but ngimbonela kude. But ngithe mangiqala ukuhlangana naye, it's a different character from what a lot of people might be, Yeah, but of which I don't want to get into there. But the character in it is a clash, but we are not talking. We are
You're not in talking terms.
Nah.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
But I think mine cause ukuthi niyafana like musically nitswemu no.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah.
When
No
you
music ngeke badlala team niyo.
Yeah. No, actually, let me tell you something. Tinama South Africans are shy at this thing. Look at Americans, how they do things. You'll find that one producer who producer ingoma A1 with album ingoma SE12.
Okay.
Okay, let me just put it this way. In one album,
producer A12.
I'm a producer A12. I'm a producer A5. I'm an executive producer who invested in this thing. Like, why don't we come to that level? So many kuza lapha nami, no, don't do this, ban. And Nqubeko would fight me. Nah, leave that, things like that. So we're clashing. Okay. So I decided to keep quiet and let me just play and then go get my money and go. Yeah, understand. I'm saying enjoy.
And am I going to make mistake ubona ukuthi bonga prevent.
Yeah.
But wayeka ngisenanda.
Exactly. So yeah, but there were a lot of things, that were taking place at that time. Abantu futhi they will undermine you because of maybe you indulge yourself into these other things, some alcohol, and then because there was an event, bakujaja ngayo ukuthi uyabhema lo wenzani, So we used to sometimes take a break. Kusana gospel, you can imagine serious gospel, but it's a puma, sehamba driver with some ladies who are singing there, and then some of them are still there even to this day. Puma sishayela amazolo lapha naqeda lapho sibuye sidlile ususile smell ushama chapiso shaya in. So that kind of lifestyle here nje bengekho right, but I was not doing that in front of everybody.
Okay.
Maybe others nje it had to be somehow it had to be exposed. Because I remember we had a gig in Rustenburg. Then that's when these things was about exposed. Mina noKutlwano, there's another producer, the producer got the Takindo. It was the two of us who were pushing the chaos, just see two. who I want to take these people, sambe nabo, but not doing anything actually. It was just fun, drink and smoke and those things. Though that was the thing. Then Kanduna Manya, Amaholia and Holy Thou, with team, and then who will take photos of what we are doing and not us realizing that this is happening. So unfortunately, some of those things contributed to the relationship no Netswana Gospel Choir. And then particular spirit music and other fields, it was so good. And then ngatenga my car, yaphelela eLesotho. Imoto yami ngathola accident eLesotho.
Okuhlabile.
Bengihlabile nakhona, yes, honestly. But ngihlaba ngifocused. And sometimes when uhlabile utshela ukuthi focused. I always tell people ukuthi ungathi uyabona 100. You are not 100%. I'm a living witness. Noma bathi uphuze 3, 4, 5 nyana zamadampi. I'm telling you, you lose some percentage nyana.
Must have, yeah.
Yeah, so yaphela imoto yami lapho, but with the grace of God, ngathenga enye another car entsha futhi. So it was that kind of lifestyle, man.
Wena kahle ujabupulo wena.
Yeah,
Ujabupulo music wena.
Yeah.
Because ngithi khaya usho into ezinjalo ukuthi imoto yashayisa yaphela athenga enye.
I was that kind of, person that time. Kona manje though, even though they are very slow, actually COVID shy too much.
Khawathi wonke umuntu athi.
COVID, and especially musicians. I used to see people near COVID, bathenga imoto brand new. Ngithi hayibo, lo muntu lo uyithenga ngani? Thina sisokola kangaka. Artists we were even worse because you can't go anywhere and make money. So, but my boss,
even a local,
yeah, but the person that helped me during that time, Aubrey Peacock, the CEO of Spirit Music, said, "Tapelo, come, let's do some studio project." And then there's this other lady who did that, and then afterwards, we parted ways because of the complications as being not alcohol there, no nothing. She didn't keep her word.
Okay.
Because we planned Good Friends album, but she changed her mind. Yeah, I want to call another person. Blah, blah. I was like, you know what? I just do however when you want. I'm okay with that. So I used to do studio sessions, Konalai Midrand. So now he's the one, the man that actually helped me to sustain until COVID stay level 1 at least. Then Puma manje to see Swaziland, things like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so it was just a wonderful journey all the way. Yeah. It was an experience. I think everything that I have, it was for me to know what's out there and to have basis, foundation yami, of which is the good thing is gospel. And then Konamanje, I'm doing jazz with gospel as well. But I think I have love for jazz. For jazz, but my jazz is with the gospel inside.
Let's
go. It's music notation.
What is that?
Music notation, you read. So I remember in 2002 when I started reading score, I was doing it take 5. You know that song. Yeah. So now that's where I started with musical scores. Notes to know notes and understand treble clef, bass clef. This is line 1 and all those things. So if you want me to get into details, I can. But it's just a music sheet. A score is a music sheet. You write songs there, and then it's also a good thing that musicians should know how to write songs
and read
and read. Read songs. Know note values. Know what you in.
Sure.
Yeah.
Utizi, he's a beat maker. He's doing trap. Trap is under hip hop. So, but akasazi score akawazi notes Maria Kono create beat.
Yeah.
Nalabafana bamanje piano abasazi score awazi notes Maria Kono create beat.
And futhi bayenza imali ukudlula laba abazi score. That's a fact.
Yeah.
Yes, in the industry yethu nje ngenye indlela I wish they can just change this thing, man. Because now you go to school.
Sound good on the ear, lento abayenzayo.
Yeah, and babamba ama-chords ayi-2 ama-triad ta.
And badlala nge-keyboard le computer, hayi le yakho.
Not even.
Yeah.
Yabona ke manje.
Ngalama FL wabo.
And ngendlebe kuphela. And they just make ilokhu njani umuntu afaka
umnyaka. Khona umunye umngani kaThizo uyenza ibeat ngefoni.
You see now, Maqeda lapha ayenze like for example Amos. Amos is my boy. Ukhule la eduzane nami
Sure.
kakhulu. So even namanje ngiyambona sometimes. You know these boys, they just ukhulele esontweni crutch. I mean in Sunday school.
Sunday school, yeah.
Yeah, this boy, thina sidlala ama keyboards stage. Bengino Opa, there's a guy called Opa.
Upa.
Khona naye.
Yo.
Yeah, I think now he's no longer with us in church.
Okay.
But now he's somewhere else. And
Phela abantu
he's still
bebadumile
pushing.
bekuuwe uOpa uLeonard ngama-drums.
Yabona
Sure.
ke into enjalo. Yeah, we were just hit makers.
Yeah,
we
yeah,
were
abenitswe.
constant musicians. That's why we were recognized.
Sure.
You know, yeah. So where was I? So
No, besikhuluma about the score nama
Yeah,
notes and stuff.
yeah.
Ukuthi this new
Yeah.
generation abakwazi uku-read and stuff, but they can still play. What wena we wish izinto zingashintshi.
Yeah.
So mina question yami ukuthi kanjani?
I think we need to change because of our music creators are the ones who must earn more than
But abantu bayadecide ukuthi njengamanje
Yeah.
njengamanje i-TV yawa because of YouTube.
Yeah, true. That's
Everything is
true.
on YouTube now.
Everything is on YouTube.
Sure.
Nami nje ngigcine nokubukela i-SABC.
You see?
So kudala.
You see, I was
Mangena
watching Mekjila sikakhuluma ngayo le nto le ukuthi bayawa.
Yeah.
People are watching our podcast, people are on TikTok.
Yeah, everybody has
Like,
an option now.
Even Maulid Wami, she's old, but she's always on TikTok.
Ngiyayibona ke manje.
So TikTok manje futhi ine content yabantu abadala, ine content yabo because TikTok ikuvezela lento le oyibukela kakhulu. If uthanda igospel izokuvezela izokurecommend gospel.
Recommendela lapha.
Sure.
So every now and then nasekuseni abanye bathanda ukudlala ama games in your phone. So asanathi isikhathi selokhu njani se SABC, you know. Though is the one that is, you know, it's not.
Why am I raising that? I want us to adapt to die. Basho njalo, but adapt to die.
Yeah.
Yabo. So because sometimes abantu abafana nawe abantswembu abagelezile ama musical genius baba bitter because of ekugcineni bayabona le ntwana zazi next mara zintswembu kudlula bona ngenyuko and stuff. Wena untswembu ngeskill but wena
But
abantswembu.
awuna
Yeah,
focus.
sure.
That's true.
Got nothing to show.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
So now in AI ifikile.
Uyabona
So
ke
don't you
manje.
think AI it will replace you?
Hey, it's going there. But you know what? There can't be a replacement because of you have a unique mind of your own. Even the AI is also ngawe ukuthi kahle kahle what is it that wena ufuna we implement.
Sure.
Then it will go with what you want. You know, there's actually a software. Angisho thina sisebenzisa ama Pro Tools, ama Logic, ama Cubase, ama Reason.
Sure.
There's another one I forgot the name, but AI. So you just play ama chords wakho ayi-2 ayi-3 uyayekela yona i-create everything. Beats, bass, guitars,
But it's bad for you.
voices.
Because when you and enjoy process, digitally was talking about the same thing.
Yeah,
Yabo.
exactly.
So now it's gonna make people to be more lazier. And now another thing, I'm at a recording at label. Basayina AI artist.
Uyabona ke.
Artist le robot. Liyacula lenza yonke into.
Yes, manje it's hectic manje.
It's bad.
It's hectic and
So how do we survive? That's my question.
how do we survive? Because since you are a creator of music, I'm sure we've got these organizations, as Sambo, Samfra, they are the ones who collect on your behalf
Sure.
on radio stations and everything. But I think ANC or what they tried to implement in the ezinhle ama tavern, I mean, and all that, ama restaurants. While they are playing that music, they have to account. So
Yeah, ama
kudlala ingoma
restaurant.
yakabanibani.
A restaurant.
But they that thing I think iphelele emoyeni khona manje. They've tried to implement it, but it didn't go far. You know, because we have to be paid. What is the soldani if then AI is on everything? And let me while we are still there. Yeah, only live band, live band. Let's say it's a 3-piece band. It's a drama bass and a piano, or maybe a guitar as well. We play live there, you know. But imali told you lapho is incane kumele share. And then but umuntu one with DJ amile laphaya. Bambhadala imali ezingaka. One man nje ngokujayivela futhi ingoma yomunye umuntu.
Understand.
And then but uyahola futhi. And that even person labo bangana knowledge of music. They earn more and way more than creators of music.
My wena wanga DJ.
Mina, I don't
'Cause
think,
it's what
mina
easy for
DJing for me, DJing it's a sync. DJing it's a sync. You sync ingoma yakabani nakabani zilandelane kahle ingabi amahashi. Zingene kahle yonke into ihambe. But that's it. It's all about it. And then knowing the pattern ukuthi oh lana ithi bass, lana I can improvise ifake i-voice yakabani bani. Lana I can do those simple ingayenza futhi umntwana omncane. Yabona abantwana bamanje bayenzani? 6-year-olds. They do that. You understand? So where are we going? So la inti nama creators, you know, they must kind of like
Question
change.
yami ukuthi why ungazenzi zonke? Why don't you create and also DJ sync?
Mina, I prefer calling a DJ
Okay.
to come in and then while mina ngidlala keyboard on top of the songs that the DJ will be playing.
Understand.
Yeah. Then that at least yenza kahle. But manje angisho yabona sometimes ama DJ ba feature abantu bama drums, abanye bama saxophone, guitars, you know. Something like that at least is better. But DJing is not the thing. Nayo nje I think I don't know whether should I say is the future or what, but ikhona lapha I think izaphelela.
Ayizophela vele egcineni.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngoba bazosiprogrammera vele.
Exactly.
Let's change it.
Yabona abantu bazozenzela ukuthi asoluza 100,000 ukuze artist one. Afake CD, afake stick lapha. Sizidlalele stick.
I-robot lapho lingidlalele yonke into engiyifunayo.
Yes.
Yeah.
And manje la robot lezo dlala manje the now style, the now music.
Before sivala uthi must mention bonke abantu khulumile ngoPastor Benjamin Dube and stuff. Awubani abantu osebenze nabo?
I worked with naye nabo Zaza.
Okay.
Abo late Pastor Nazim,
Sure.
late Abo Omega. And then Lesotho, there's a group called Itahila. I was an MD there. Because of our full we improve man. And then it's on the gospel choir, those circumstances that I mentioned earlier. And then a lot of them,
Sabata
Masoga, Abo Tapelo Mulomu,
Idols, yeah.
Ngafonula Oskido.
Okay.
So Oskido Kalawa. Then we did the recording. I was the producer.
Oh, the album yakhe Kalawa.
Sure. So I was the one who was actually playing and doing everything there. And then worked with so much. In 2007, ngasebenza no Nicolas Congio. Nicolas is from Italy.
Okay.
Actually, Mageza, before Ez, Bangnikeza score. There's a guy who called Mamizo Alexis. Alexis is connected with musicians from all over. So it was a show Yaga Celine Dion, if you recall. Celine Dion because the Magalai the Dome in 2007. Nicolas Congio was the one who was singing before Celine Dion.
Oh, okay.
So we were there, and then I worked with him, and then I worked with Awotaki. Yeah, as I mentioned, Nabolufu Notakata, and quite a number of artists. But baningi man, baningi. Yeah.
Hip hop.
Hip hop. There's a boy called Don. Now we sent some other things, but we didn't actually go far. Yingam Fisher with that album, Jazz. Then he rapped on Nelson Mandela's song.
Okay.
There's a song called Nelson Mandela.
Sure.
So, and a lot of them, and Noshimza as well, as I mentioned. And then
Piano?
Amapiano. Amapiano, no Yenzele Utapel.
No,
yeah, Nabani as well, but those didn't actually go far.
Okay.
You know, it was just our thing. Yeah, but Baning and yeah. And then go Malaysians, I'm the name. I can't mention Zonke. Kona Enyoke, Ekula Judith Sipuma is held me up. Okay. Also, renewal in his presence. Sure. That is one of my songs, no Mfundisi Benjamin. And nezinye futhi khona ingoma eziningi ngisibhalele iLesotho Tahila abo Not in Vain. Yeah, quite a number of songs. And actually, in most of the albums where I'm at, I'm the arranger. And it's funny gospel choir. I arranged all those things. So Nubeko got a credit. But le ngati ufake nje kancanyana nje. Because
can you play the compo?
Yeah.
The compo.
Le compo, ngizwele ngayo le compo leli lamapedi nani. Yeah, I can do that. Mina,
Versatile.
I'm a versatile person. I'm a producer. You give me one thing, which you know, do this thing. I said the interest so I'll give you something, the brother of that thing.
So i-3 step phela ngenza bathi soulful. So do you think you can venture into it?
Yeah, anything. As long as we sound, Mina, I'm everywhere.
Oh.
You give me a song, hip hop, amapiano, gospel, whatever the case might be, jazz. I actually, mauyenze jazz, wayenze gospel, wayenze classic. You can cover everything else.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then Moses Mulelekwa, iyiphi role ayidlalile empilweni yakho? As a guy, bekaku-jazz,
Yo.
and abuye Tembisa from your same neighborhood, as much as I Grootman go.
You know, so Moses Mulelekwa, he's a legend. Even to this day, akunamuntu ongathi ngiyambheka ukuthi piano, the piano, the way they got interpreted ngakhona. You know, that guy was very intelligent. Mang mamele amanotes wakhe, I can tell ukuthi it's a call and response.
Sure.
It's like a conversation between the 3 people or 4 people. Omunye ukhuluma so, omunye ukhuluma so, omunye responda kulo, omunye. And that was him while playing the piano, closing mina ngivala amehlo. I can tell ukuthi lo ukhuluma na lo ukhuluma. So now he was to that level. Angakayizwa into enjalo even to this day. There's a guy omunye wase Italy. I follow him too much. He does that, but now yena ukhuluma ngelanguage. Remember, music is language. That's another thing. So uMoses Mulelekwa is the one who can interpret language here to realize South Africa and be relevant to everybody in the whole world. So that was him. So that is what I learned, and as a result, that's why I keep ingoma yami. Konamaji, you can find it on YouTube and other platforms. Actually, in a company called The Edible Music.
Okay.
So that is my company, and we are there online on Facebook. It's The Edible Music, and then there's a song you keep it under my label. It's called African Chant.
Okay.
Wangati nje African Chant Tapelo Makating.
Sure.
Then you'll find it. It's an African song. I was influenced by Themba Mkhize, Moses Mulelekwa, and all these other guys. I'm a pianist.
Sure.
But mainly Themba Mkhize because of the voices. And then also Moses Mulelekwa with the interpretation of piano. You listen to that song, you will say, Moses Mulelekwa kwenzakalani ngathi ukhona somewhere.
Okay.
You know, so there's another song that I'm going to take out called Lehlabile. It's a dedication to Moses Mulelekwa. Man, I'm telling you, you will hear that Moses Mulelekwa is alive. You know, Tina, who are here, who are still alive, let's run with the baton.
Okay.
And then sing our story.
Sure.
You know, yeah. So let's just continue and empower and give ideas to those and knowledge to those. I'm doing classes privately with certain people. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. So that tomorrow will be a legacy.
Sure.
This guy Tapelo contributed
Master.
to this one, to that one. No Shims even to this day. And I, if you can have him, with Tapelo, you know him. He'll tell you with I'm like a strategy.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yani?
In
Who's this guy? Yeah, Ziani, ne? Okay.
Yani.
Yeah.
Yani.
Yeah.
Yes. On my keyboard, I'm
Sure,
and
yeah.
different sounds. Those are the
I
inspirations.
still watch him up to this day.
Oh, legend, my brother. Legend.
Yeah, sure.
I've learned a lot from those as well. I'm a keyboard. But I'm a musician way too much. Mauyen's live recording. Often I'm a keyboards, I'm like i5. And all to find out you're going to use 1 or 2. What about the other keyboards that they have? No, those sounds. Rather, piano, you put organ, you put leads, you put strings, you put in, so you know your board to make your space, so that you can be, all over the place, if that is the case. Yeah. But there's no need much because the keyboard, as I mentioned earlier, all the sounds in it. When you do live recording, it's the 2 of you. It's a piano, my piano, and the second keys.
Okay.
So lo munye anganginceda ngakufaka amanye ama sounds. Now I can change if I want. It's just a button away to change the sound. Not necessarily you have to have a lot of things. There's a recording yengayenza mistake ngayo ke kuyo le. Oh, Nothando Hlophe as well from Swaziland.
Okay.
Lo bekacula yena ukhulula uqobo.
Sure.
So that was one of my artists as well. I remember begimfundisa how to do this thing. And she used to cry. Ngithi uzophuma la so yazi lento leyo. So khona manje she's ushade is a princess yaseSwaziland. She's a bayibizana prince, ushade a prince. So
Oh,
yena
ushade
a
a prince.
princess.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh,
ushade
kashadanga
umntana
iking.
kaMswati.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh.
So there's quite a number of things that I can mention, around that.
From here, where to? Bizingani manje.
From here, I'm working also. No, there's a guy called Usabata, the one who actually, helped me to also connect with you.
Yeah, Sabata Masok.
Sabata Masok is
The
my
legend.
friend. He's my
Ah,
friend.
legend.
He's the legend. We church together at Dominion. Yeah, so we are, and we are trying to achieve something together. And then, I believe with one amongst us, Magaya Pandin, you must help
Siphumelele sona.
others as well to come up,
Sure.
So sihlanganisa ingqondo and then working together. Also with other people, nabanye bakhipha ama-album, ama-single, abanye aboNomakhuze, there's abanye aboThandi, like noThapelo Mlomo as well. And there's quite a number of, a lineup.
Okay.
That is actually la bafuna ukurekhoda
Sure.
and bafuna mina ngibe i-MD yabo. And abanye as well, unfortunately, khona i-album siyenze State Theatre yaka Thabang Mavunga. There's this guy Thabang Mavunga. It's a pastor actually. Siyenze ingoma, sikhiphe ingoma ezi-3. Khona ingoma ethi Uteng Mo.
Okay.
So I produced that
Okay.
that album. Unfortunately, amanye ama-clients nje aslow anyana in terms of ukhiphe imali then sikhiphe i-album yonke full. So sometimes you never know ama-seasons angisho wabantu.
Okay.
But I'm waiting patiently. So we 2 years now or 3 years i-album ihleli isasenami, the whole album.
And it's timeless.
Yeah, it's timeless.
Noma ngayikhipha
Noma
ngo-28
ngayikhipha
isazoba relevant.
nini. I think now he took advantage of that. But Masoyenze is something which means God has given you that idea for that time. We keep a yonke into and then
We'll understand our seasons.
yes, we don't understand our seasons.
Sure.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
So how do we get hold of you? Give us the social handles.
My email is it's emmanueltaps@gmail.com. On Facebook, I'm Emmanuel Taps. And then there's another page on Facebook here, the Edible Music. You can follow that. And then you can just send a message there. Then I'll find you.
Okay.
Then I respond. I'm there as well, TikTok, but the TikTok is the Edible Music.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't have a personal one. It's just for the company. Anything that I do will be there.
All right.
Yeah.
Sika number again. I ask for an email. Phone. WhatsApp.
Oh yeah, my number is 073
Sure.
241 1811.
Okay.
So you can find me there, ask more information if you want an album, a single or whatever. We can talk about prices. And Nakona, here's another thing. People, they think I'm expensive. I'm not expensive. It depends ukuthi ufuna into enjani now. If nami as a production manager ngibe kanjalo, as ungibizile ukuthi ngiyokenzele ngikuproducele something.
Okay.
We can depending on your budget, I know who to call. Okay. Or maybe you want a live. I know ukuthi ngabiza a Ligan who will charge me 15,000 to do maybe an album. Omunye angangicharge 10,000. So I've got a lineup of musicians and producers. There's what we call, I've done also cine producer cycle. Baningi lapha, abo Kutlwano Mkwena, abo Surprise Nzimande, abo Tino Damba, abo Tsepo Muloi, abo Snigiwe Mabaso, abo Mano Simeli. Like there's a lot of them. These are producers. I'm in my cycle that I can mobilize and call. If the album, budget,
sure,
I can call. We can do a hit for you as a not only a hit, but a song that, and especially gospel, something that has a message in it, but at the same time, it be timeless.
Okay.
But there are those songs as
sure,
they are forever there. Now, believe in your craft. Believe in this thing, and then call us anytime. Come, and then we'll do something great for you.
Sure, sure.
Yeah.
So in closing, in closing, any message to our subscribers at home?
subscribers. No, subscribe, get in our channel, and then find what is it that is coming. When you subscribe, and so much you get notifications
Sure.
of something that is about to, to be in the industry.
Sure.
Or maybe it's in there, but you'll be the first one to see it.
Sure.
So now subscribe, like our page, and also my song on YouTube, Spotify, iTunes, and all these other channels. That African Chant is everywhere. So you'll find Thapelo there. Support us. Let's grow together, and you'll see us somewhere, and then now you'll be somewhere as well. As long as you believe in what you do, especially musicians.
Okay.
Yeah.
Siyabonga Uthiyam.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you for honoring our invitation, and thank you for coming and share your story on our platform. Because ngihlale ngisho ukuthi amunye nomunye umuntu i-story sakhe angashare to any platform.
Yeah, true.
But we are like we truly appreciate ukuthi uye wachoose thina.
Yeah.
Khona abantu abazosubscribe ngenxa yakho. Khona abantu who are going to relate to your story. Khona abantu abazozithanda story sakho basishare.
Yes.
So thank you so much for that.
No, thank you so much to you, sir, for this platform. All of us are gifted differently.
Most
I'm a
of
musician. When I fully podcast,
Sure.
I'm about popular because of you.
Mara ngishilo okay ngadala ngaqala ukuyeza popular. Ukuthi boshala amakhiza ku TTF ngisondele ngecamera. Ngishuthe nasezandleni.
Oh my
Shuthe
goodness.
nasezandleni. Abantu ngiyazi ukuthi khona abanye abantu abazothenga i-DVD ngoba bafuna ukubona lezandla zakho.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
And that
but,
actually made an impact. So the album vele i-achieve yithi sonke.
Sure, most
From compositions, arrangers, and then nani futhi ngama camera
Sure.
and then after here the marketers,
Most
things like that. Yeah. So this will go somewhere. You will see the numbers now is cool.
Sure.
Now my numbers will grow.
Most
I believe that.
most
By God's grace. Thank you, sir.
Siyabonga,
much.
siyabonga Uthiyam.
Yes.
Hayi bafethu hayi anizwele nathi hayi fandaku sihleli nomuntu ohlukile siyacala ukuhlala nomuntu we-keyboard sihlala nabo sabhatha abantu abaculayo abaphambili so abantu ababalekile abasemva kwabo abadirectayo benza ini so we want to capture more and more of them sibagaya i-spotlight abasideservayo and ne-story sabo si-important and siyasakha siyasikhulisa so siyabonga abafethu for everything. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and hit the notification button. That's it from me, your boy Sia Kim. All I can say is 8 hours.
Later.
Away.
So,
Siyabonga.
Shabbat.